Welcome back, you guys, to another video. Today gonna be working on the wagon. I'm trying to get everything all ready for the upcoming parts that I have. So I'm trying to get everything installed, so I just have to put that on and be done. So if you know me, or maybe you might be able to tell with the Civic, something I love is LEDs, RGBs, have them all over. Have a stack of them there. Have some in the back of the Civic that I have to install. So today on the wagon, I'm gonna be installing the RGB underglow all over, sides, front, back, everything. Not like the Civic. The Civic is only gonna be on the side. This one is getting it all around.
Run it up, niggas be swearing they one of us. I hit the gang in the cut, I don't see no one in front of us. Think you mad or something? Get in your bag some, pull out them rags or something, get you a bag or something.
So the cool thing about the kit that I use is that it's basically a 3-piece, well, 6 pieces. It's 3 pieces per side. So you have the front half of the bumper, the side one, and then the rear back half of the bumper. And then these clips that I have for the Civic that I've been holding is what I use. So I use the double-sided tape that it has on the back of the RGBs, but I also use these clips because if you ever done underglow or strips in the bottom, you know the double-sided tape does not hold. So I use these clips. Here it focuses. Those with the little screws that it comes with, that should work good on this car. So as usual, as it goes when working on cars, that took a lot longer than expected. So, well, a lot longer than expected, because so far I've only done the driver's side. I'm gonna leave the passenger side for another day. I'm tired, it's like a little bit past 10. So the fronts, I didn't double-side tape. I just put the clips for now because obviously this bumper has to get painted. So I just put the clips to hold it for now, since it's temporary. And then the sides, I did the double-sided tape, and then I did those, and those are mounted to the side skirts. That's why you're able to use those, since they have the little screws that go into the plastic. And then the rear, I did a little different than I anticipated, because the strips were longer. You can't really see, hold up. So the rear, I thought the strips were gonna go all across, 2 strips, but I ended up doing it that way, and that centerpiece, so that it just glows off the ground, because they were way too long. Literally one strip took that whole centerpiece, so I just made them diagonal, and I gotta do the other side, the clips for it. But I'm gonna hook up this side to at least get a view real quick. So I got, like I said, the driver's side done. Obviously that half is not done. And the rear. And then, of course, you know we gotta have the chasing lights. We have a whole bunch of different features, whatever. And then they all follow. They're all linked together, so they follow, you know. You can see what I mean there. Woo! I'm excited. I love lights. Alright, so I'm back here finishing up the LED underglow for the wagon. So I got the side strip on here. So now that it's daytime, I can show you guys better. So I put the strip on, and then like every, you know, whatever's reasonable space-wise. So I put one in the beginning there, and then one there, and another one in the middle, You kind of see it, yeah. And then one more back there. So that should be good. If anything, I can always add more in between, but that should be good. So now I'm just gonna mock up. So this one I put double-sided tape because this is not coming off for paint. And then the front I'm gonna mock up like I did on the other side without the tape. I just put the strip on without the tape, just the brackets. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here on this side because this is getting painted, like I said. Alright, so I finished the install of the RGBs in the wagon, and look how sick it looks. It looks so good. On the back, so it's all around